So today I get to fix my little radio. The volume knob, I'm going to fix that. The RF, that broke a long time ago. It's wide open and I don't have a potentiometer to fix that one. I just got some in the mail to fix that, and I need to change it so I could at least turn it on. I was using it without the RF for a long time, so try and get a new one put in there. I like this little radio. This is the one I just leave in my truck. But since the volume thing broke off, the potentiometer, the pot metal on those things is cheap. They break real easy. So I'm going to fix that and put it back in my truck so I can at least listen to Skip when I'm at work on my breaks. Got the new volume in. And I hope I never have to do that again, because that was really not fun. There is no room to move in there, and I'm not very good at doing these things. And barely got that sucker in, but got it in. I tested it on my power supply and everything works, so I'm happy I get to use my little radio again. So here's with the new volume hooked up. How about it? Is it working?
Oh my god, so loud.
Thank you very much. It works. Yay. It works. The wife gave me a response. She hates CB radios.